Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add this trending angry red face effects to your videos in CapCut. So you can start by adding the clip that you want to edit, and after that here you can just go to effects, tap on the body effects, and in here you can just click on the search column at the top and just type in red face, click on enter. Then you'll easily found this effect, so click on this to apply on your videos. Okay, you can adjust it as you like it. You can adjust the sticker, atmosphere, and also the size. I'm going to go with 100 for the atmosphere, and the size I'm going to go with 70. Now you can just go back, click on the check icon, and here you can adjust the length. I'm going to put it at the start of my videos, and this will be the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.